Hi friends in 218. Today we are going to do a quick math lesson together. For math today we're going to be working on how many we give, so objects or drawings we give for the number we are asked to give. So let Miss Sarah do the first one and then we can do the rest together. Miss Sarah has the number 1. So I only need one dot. One dot, the number 1. All right, let's go on to number 2. We have the number 2, dos. Miss Sarah is going to put uno círculo, dos círculos, no más. 1, 2. We don't need any more. Our next number is 3, tres. 1, 2, 3. Miss Sarah is counting as she is putting the circles on her paper so that she knows how many she has and that she doesn't put more than she needs. What number comes after 3? Bum, 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 bum. What number is this? Number 4. Cuatro. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm done. I counted as I drew the circles on my page, so I knew how many I was going to need, and I could stop when I got to the number I needed. 4. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. What number is next? The number 5 is next. Let's count out loud as we draw our circles so that we know when to stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Es todo. Da-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na. ¿Qué número es? 6. Our next number is 6. So we're going to count to 6 as we draw our circles so that we don't put any more down on our paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. I don't have to draw any more. Okay, friends, I think you're going to know this one. What number comes next? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Da-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na. 6, 7. This is the number 7. Siete. Let's count as Miss Sarah draws the circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I pick up my marker because I'm done. I counted as I drew the circles, so I knew when to stop drawing. So I only put 7 there. Our next number is what? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Our next number is 8. Ocho. We're getting big on our numbers, you guys. Miss Sarah's going to have to draw a lot of circles right now. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Es todo. No necesite más. Da-na-na-na-na-na. What number is next? What number is next? What number is next? My friends, what is the name of this number? Starts with a N sound. The number is 9. 9. So we're going to draw 9 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's count them in español. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, Miss Sarah said español. Oh, lo siento, amigos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Lo siento, friends. This is our last number today that we're going to do for quantifying today, my friends. This is the number 10. It is the number 10. We have 10 fingers. We have 10 toes. Let's count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Miss Sarah has 10 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Es todo. No necesite más. Let's count our numbers one more time together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, my friends. Ahora es tu turno. Okay, it's your turn now, my friends. I want you to pick one number, 1 through 10. It could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or 10. You're just going to do one number. You're going to draw the number on your paper. Here, Miss Sarah's going to show you. So I'll show you on her whiteboard that she got for you, my friends. I'm back, my friends, I promise. Okay, my friends, so you're going to get a piece of paper. It doesn't matter what color it is or what you're going to use to draw. You're going to write a number. You can choose any of these numbers like I just said. So Miss Sarah is going to choose the number 8 today, 8. So she's going to write the number 8 on her piece of paper. You can use the same color or you can use different colors. I want you to be creative. And then you're going to use your marker, your crayon, your pencil to draw objects that are the same amount as this number. So this is the number 8, este 8. So Miss Sarah's going to draw 8 objects. So today, Miss Sarah's going to draw 8 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't need any more. All right, friends, you did such a good job today during our math lesson. I hope you have fun the rest of your day. I'll see you soon.